I think the new building will look great here.
No! Oh, no! No!
Huh?
Oh no! Billdozer! Are you okay?
Oh no, he's gone crazy!
We have to call for help!
Hi, Bob. Everything okay?
Johnny, Billdozer hurt himself and now he's acting all crazy.
Don't worry, Bob. I got you.
Hi, Johnny!
Guys, Billdozer is wreaking havoc. You need to check on him.
Billdozer? Our Billdozer?
Yeah, he's injured, and he could be dangerous.
No worries. We know what to do.
And Billdozer did all this?
See it for yourself, Traco.
Help! Someone help me!
Oh no! He's got Batfly! We have to rescue her!
Traco, you take care of Billdozer while I go get Batfly.
Come on, you can do it, Tigers!
Now let's help Traco.
Hello!
Be careful, guys! He's already hurt!
This isn't working! He's fast and strong!
We need to try something else.
Guys, I think we lost him!
He must have gone that way! Let's go get him!
Billdozer, please don't do this. I promise I'll give you free ice cream.
That's enough, Bill.
If we want to stop him, I need to be faster!
Hi, Traco. Are you all right?
Johnny, I need your help to get Billdozer!
I got you. Activating power up.
Now we're talking! Batfly! Tigers! Distract him while I trap him! get this big boy to the hospital.
You should be feeling okay now, buddy.
No, he's still crazy.
I'm just kidding, Draco. I'm fine.
Oh, you won't laugh so much when you see the mess you caused. Yep.
Woohoo! Yes! There's nothing like good training.
Already tired, Tigers? Come on, let's do one more round. Don't push it, Draco. We need rest too. I know what I'm doing.
Hi, Draco. Everything all right?
Johnny, we were training and we had an accident. Please send help.
Don't worry, buddy. I know just the guy for this.
Hi, Johnny.
Bulldozer, the rescue squad needs you.
Of course they do. No worries. I got this, Johnny. I take the day off and they go crazy. Guys?
Bill, help, please! Draco caused the landslide, and now we're trapped.
Accidentally caused a landslide. Almost there, Bill.
Everyone okay?
What's that sound?
Come on! Oh no! My trunk is broken!
Ah, we're stuck.
Don't worry, guys. I'll get you out of this. Yay! You go, Draco! Aha!
No way. Not again.
Oh, how are we going to get out now?
I know what to do.
Hi, Tigers. Are you all right?
Johnny, we all got stuck in slime. I need your help to get out.
I got you. Activating power up.
do this!
Whoa! You go, pal.
I'll get Bill out first so that he can help Draco.
Oh. Yes! Great job, Tigers.
Time to get these two out.
Huh?
Just a bit more. Good one, Bill.
Finally, everyone's okay.
Well, that was one interesting training session.
That wasn't me.
Hello, hello, hello. Goodbye. The ice creams are all mine. You won't get away with this, Vicky. Really? And who's going to stop me?
Game over, Vicky. That fly is here to stop you.
Are you sure?
Run, guys, run!
We need your help.
This is Johnny. What can I help you with?
Johnny, it's Katie. We need help. Vicky is causing chaos at the restaurant, and Batfly is helping her.
Wait, what? What are you talking about?
I'm telling you, Batfly came and left Bob on the roof. This is a disaster.
Don't worry, Katie. I'll send some help and we'll get to the bottom of this. Hi, Johnny.
Batfly, what's going on? Katie just called me saying you're helping Vicky and her evil plans.
Me? You know that can't be true, Johnny. Let me get there and find out what's going on.
I trust you, but there's no way you're going alone this time. It might be some kind of trap. Crocodile will go to and help you out.
Oh, come on.
Don't worry, Johnny boy. I'll be like your own sticky shadow.
No, not again.
Don't worry, Bob. I'll take you back to the ground. Look who's here if it isn't the Anima Fools.
This is over, Vicky. We won't let you escape.
Oh, but you will. Just wait and see.
What?
They're clones! Vicky's creating clones! Bye-bye, Anima Fools. Crocodile, take care of your clone. I'll take care of mine.
All right, handsome. Let's boogie. Wow! Chill, my friend. Not bad. For a fake. Ouch! Katie, Rhino, I could use a little help, you know. Come on! You know I'm the real Crocodile!
Prove it.
What? Okay. Remember when I saved you from those quicksands, Rhino? Come on! If it weren't for my super cool parkour moves, you'd still be there!
Okay, he's the real one.
No club could ever be that cocky.
It looks like you're in a real pickle, buddy.
Come on, where did those two go?
Over here, Anima Bozo.
Trying to take me by surprise, huh?
No need to do that.
Phew, that one has some courage.
Time to get back to the cave, little bat.
I want to defeat her. I need something else. Bedfly, did you find out what's going on?
Yes, Johnny. Vicky is making clones of us to fool everyone. I'm fighting her now, but I need an extra boost.
Huh? An extra boost? All right, Badfly. Get ready for a power-up. Wow, these turbos are amazing!
No way! That foolish bat is coming at us again!
Turn around and shoot your boomerang, my clone. Let's bring her down for good.
Ew!
Huh? My turn! You failed, Animal Loser! Huh? Oh no! Ouch, that ought to hurt. Never mess with the bat. Come on, girls, it's going to be a bumpy ride to jail. Now, let's see how Tracodile's doing.
Remember, fake, no one is more loco than the Croco. Thanks, guys. I couldn't have done it without your help.
You are welcome.
I just hope that Batfly defeated her evil twin, too.
Of course, who do you think I am?
Batty! You made it!
And look who I brought with me.
Oh, yeah. That's what you get for messing with our pretty faces, you fools. Don't worry, Johnny. With the shortcut I took, I'll bring the stand to Katie's just in time. Wow! Ooh, what a hit!
It seems that my aim is still perfect. Stolen ice cream, my favorite flavor.
Oh no! She's going to get away with it!
Wheelfin, what happened?
Vicky's trapped me with stones to steal the ice creams!
Don't worry, I'm sending someone to help you.
Hi, Johnny.
Billdozer, Wheelfin is trapped in rocks in the desert. He needs your help.
Got it. On my way. Wheelfant, where are you?
Over here!
What?
Help me, my friend!
All right, don't move. Oh! Ah! Oh! Ah!
Thanks, Billdozer. But now we have to get Katie's stand back.
Count on me, pal. We have to be close. Huh?
Oh no. Really? Again?
I can't believe you fell for the same trick twice, animal losers.
Billdozer, are you okay?
Well, I'm kind of trapped. This rock is huge. It's blocking my shovel.
I can't do it on my own, but I know what to do.
Wheel of it! Did Bulldozer set you free?
Yes, Johnny, but Vicky trapped us again. I'm going to need an extra hand.
Say no more! Activating power up!
All right, let's get to work. Now it's your turn.
We're on our way, Vicky. Just wait for us. There she is. Let's go. I'll distract her while you take back the stand.
Copy that.
Hello there.
You came for more, huh?
Is that all you got?
Oh, stay put, Anima Ding Dong.
Well, enough fun. Bye-bye, Vicky.
You won't just walk away, Anima Fool. Huh? Give me my ice cream back. Yes! Huh?
This is for trapping me. Twice!
Reclaimed ice creams. My favorite flavor.
Please, somebody help us! The fire is getting higher! Yes, I have a signal! I'll go for help!
Here's Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, it's Bob! Katie and I are trapped on a fire! We need the Anima Squad!
Understood. Help is on the way.
Hi, Johnny!
Hi, Johnny.
Batfly, Wheelefin, there's a fire in the city! I need you to go there and put it out!
Leave it to us.
We'll do it, Johnny!
Wow, what happened here?
How could the town hall catch fire?
Here's the plan, Wheels. First, let's rescue our friends. We'll put out the fire leak.
I can reach Katie, but Bob is too high for me. Can you take care of him?
No problem, big guy. Help me, Wheelefin! The fire is getting closer!
Don't worry, Katie. I'll get you down. The coast is clear. Hurry up. Get down before the fire surrounds the place again. Are you okay, Katie?
I'll be all right. Thank you, Wheelefin.
I wonder how Batfly is doing. Ah.
Come on, Bob, you have to jump now! No way, it's too high! It wasn't that, was it?
Batfly, Bob! I'm so glad to see you!
Everyone is safe now.
Yes, let's put out the fire!
Oh no, Edward's still inside!
No!
Ow! There's too much debris and the fire is spreading. We won't make it.
Leave it to me!
Wheelithan, how's the mission going?
We have an emergency, Johnny! Ed was also trapped in Town Hall and we can't get him out! I need an extra hand!
Say no more. Activating power up.
Yes! That's more like it! Batfly, find something to help me put out the fire!
Roger that.
I got this! Quick! Ed! Get out!
Huh?
Now I'll deal with this. Batfly, just in time! We did it!
Yes, but I still wonder how all this could happen.
Guys, look at this.
Wait, the remote control, the robot, the gun, Evil Vicky!
You might have ruined my plans this time, Anima Fools, but I have more tricks up my sleeve.